Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Suzuki GSX-R600. This middleweight superbike just came in with only 2,500 miles on the odometer. Excellent condition. Price to sell. It's got that beautiful black and white paint scheme. Again, only 2,500 miles. Come by, save thousands over the price of new for just $79.99. Frame sliders. These things are fantastic. They got Brembo brakes. It's a beautiful machine. Fully adjustable suspension. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Make your super sport dreams come true at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.